Exam is not a test. It is self-checking in fact. Test of how much you know. Test of mental ability in reality. My lord, instead of doing self-accountability, holding other factors responsible of your failure, it has been an old custom of lazy, dull, dumb, stupid, sluggish, worthless, mindless, brainless, careless, useless, and senseless person. Honorable Judge, my innocent opponent who don't know about the importance of exam is harping on the same song that exam should be banned, exam should be banned. They are jumping, leaping and dancing like a monkey instead of giving strong arguments in this prestigious hall by telling their bullshit stories regarding to ban the exam. But today, I will not let that happen. Honorable Judge, you know, one's hard work, one's passion, one's determination is co-related to each other, which we see in the days of test and trial examinations. Honorable Judge, when for the first time a man stepped on the moon, what was the reason behind that? His little knowledge or he passed exam in his relevant field? Definitely he passed exam in his relevant field. When a man succeeded in transplanting organs, what was the reason behind that? His little knowledge or he passed exam in his relevant field? Definitely and surely he passed exam in his relevant field. Man managed to fly tons of iron in the air. What was the reason behind that? His unawareness, his illiteracy, his half knowledge. No, rather he passed exam in his relevant field before he done it. Honorable Judge, Allama Iqbal got the degree of PhD. Qaid Azam got the degree of law. Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan got Nobel Prize in Physics. What was the reason behind that? Surely they have passed exam in their relevant field. Honorable Judge, leave everything. If today's debate competition was not held, would it be possible for you to announce first, second and third position? Certainly not. Honorable Judge, it's in human nature to compete and surpass each and everyone in their relevant field. Now the question is, which thing bring competition among the students? What is that? It is surely the exam that bring competition among the students. If the exams were supposed to be banned, the students will not take their studies at a serious level, and this will lead them to have a mindset of not going to school, as even school, colleges and universities are not important for them. Honorable Judge, leave everything. If you are still not convinced, let me ask you a few questions. My questions are, would you trust a pilot who had not passed his exam? Would you trust a surgeon to perform surgery on you who had not passed his exam? Would you trust a driver on road who had not passed his exam? Would you trust an engineer to build a bridge who had not passed his exam? Certainly the answer is no. IPS Center has appointed new PEST and JEST teacher. So whom they have appointed? The ones who had passed their exam or the ones who had not passed their exam? Surely the ones who had passed their exam. Honorable Judge, now the ball is in your court. What to decide? I am pretty sure that you are going to say that exams should not be banned and should be conducted. Thank you very much.